If you're considering Alvao Service Desk for your business, here are 12 key things you need to know before you make that decision. With so many help desk options available, it's important to find the right fit for your needs, so stick around to the end for a comparison with the competition and an alternative recommendation. First off, Alvao Service Desk is built to streamline IT service management. It's a comprehensive platform that helps businesses manage incidents, service requests, and even changes with ease. One thing that sets Alvao apart from its competitors like Freshdesk and Zendesk is its flexibility in catering specifically to IT departments, making it more suitable for tech-heavy businesses. Next thing, its user interface. While Alvao's design is clean, it's not as intuitive as some of the more popular options like Zendesk or ServiceNow. If ease of use is your priority, Alvao might require a learning curve to get familiar with all its features. The third thing you should know is about its automation capabilities. Alvao includes automated ticketing workflows and notifications, but when compared to competitors like Freshservice, it lacks a bit in the complexity department. If you have intricate automation needs, Alvao may not fully satisfy you. Next, let's talk about integrations. Alvao integrates with a number of third-party tools, but doesn't have as extensive a list as some of its rivals. If you're heavily invested in platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams, you might find the integrations a bit limiting. The fifth thing you need to consider is the reporting and analytics. Alvao does provide customizable reports, but it doesn't have the depth of analytics you might get from solutions like Zendesk or ServiceNow. This could be an issue for businesses that rely heavily on in-depth data analysis for decision-making. Next thing, Alvao's support. The support team is available, but users report that response times can be slow at times. If immediate customer support is important to you, there may be quicker alternatives out there like Freshdesk or HappyFox. The seventh thing to note is its scalability. Alvao is designed to support small to medium-sized businesses. However, for larger enterprises, competitors like ServiceNow provide more extensive enterprise-level features and scalability options. The eighth thing you should know is about cost. Alvao's pricing is competitive, but for the features you're getting, some competitors might offer more value for money. Freshdesk, for example, offers a more budget-friendly tier with a better suite of features for smaller teams. The ninth thing to consider is its asset management capabilities. Alvao excels in IT asset management, which is essential for businesses managing a large number of hardware or software. This is a huge advantage over other help desk software like Zendesk, which doesn't have such strong asset tracking built-in. The 10th thing is about customization. Alvao does offer customization options, but you'll find that it's not as flexible as some competitors like Freshservice or Zoho Desk. This means you may not be able to tailor the software to your exact needs as effectively. Next up, its mobile experience. Alvao has a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or user-friendly as apps from competitors like Freshdesk or ServiceNow. If managing tickets on the go is important, you may find Alvao lacking in that department. The 12th and final thing to consider is the community around Alvao. While it does have a dedicated user base, it's not as large or as active as the communities surrounding platforms like Zendesk or Freshservice. If peer support and a wealth of online resources are important to you, this might be a deal breaker. So, is Alvao Service Desk a good option for your business? Absolutely. It's a solid choice for businesses that prioritize IT management, asset tracking, and a streamlined approach to service desk management. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, better integrations, or more extensive reporting, we recommend checking out a competitor like Freshservice, which you can try for free.